Are you struggling with making your room database columns non-nullable? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to annotate columns as not null using the Android Room Persistence Library. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you've done everything right, only to find out that your columns are still nullable. You're definitely not the first person to run into this issue. Let's take a look at the specific question at hand. One user shared their data class, which includes several fields like name, room, quantity, and description. They tried using the @non-null annotation, but it didn't seem to work. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this happening? Room uses SQLite, which does support not null columns, but the way we annotate them can sometimes be tricky. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To make columns in the room database not nullable, the user should use the @column_info annotation with the default value parameter. This allows the user to specify a default value for the column. Next, the user should ensure that the data class reflects the non-nullable nature of the fields. This can be done by changing the type of the fields from string to a non-nullable type. Additionally, the user can enforce non-null constraints at the database level by using the @column_info annotation with the index parameter set to true. This helps in ensuring data integrity. Finally, the user should test the implementation by inserting data into the database. If any of the non-nullable fields are left empty, an exception should be thrown. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of SQLite was released in 2000? It's come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using a type converter class to ensure that your string members are not null. This method converts null values to empty strings. You can apply this converter to your string members by annotating them with type converters. This way, any null assignments will be stored as empty strings, ensuring your database remains consistent. Here's a quick tip. Always test your database schema after making changes. This will help you catch any issues early on. And there you have it. By using the right annotations, you can ensure your room database columns are non-nullable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.